Is dry ice blasting the right cleaning solution for your business? Dry ice blasting provides an environmentally friendly and non-abrasive clean that won't damage equipment. It has reduced cleaning downtime and chemical-free process that produces no secondary waste. Dry ice blasting can be used in a wide variety of applications ranging from sensitive cleaning situations, like removing flux from electronic circuit boards, commercial kitchen ventilation, and removing slag from automotive assembly rails. Ice blasting services can be completed after hours to prevent any disruption in your workflow. Contact Strength H2O Industrial Solutions today for your free no-obligation quote. See why we are the leader in dry ice blasting services and guarantee 100% customer satisfaction.